Welcome to 3 Minutes to Learn. Today we're going to be using Adobe Captivate 8 to record instructional videos that can be posted on YouTube or to other video hosting sites. You will find Adobe Captivate on a computer in the Teaching and Learning Center. All you need is your material. Once you launch Adobe Captivate, you'll have to choose between which type of video you want to make. For today's lesson, we're going to learn how to make a video demo, which will record our screen. There is just a little bit of setup to do with this. The very first time, you need to decide whether you want to record just an area of the screen or the full screen, and I chose full screen. You'll also want to choose your system audio. The very first time you click on Settings. When Settings opens, you can go into Recording Settings, make sure that narration is checked, and under Audio Settings you can click Calibrate Input for the program to listen to your voice speak and decide how loud it wants it to be. The first time I did mine, it decided it wanted to record my voice at like 1.1, and I had to make it just a little bit higher. So you can manipulate those things. Hit OK, and OK again. And now we'll click the record button, and it's going to record full screen. It'll give us a little warning that it's going to start recording in 3, 2, 1. And now it's capturing both my voice and my screen. And the program that I'm using today is only capturing part of my screen, but I did a trial to see how far it's capturing over to the side. So what I can do is go ahead and launch a PowerPoint. If I were doing this for my class, then one of the things I would say, good day, today we're going to learn about how to flip your class with Adobe Captivate. And then of course you go ahead and flip to the next PowerPoint slide. So we continue the lecture and talk about that flipping the classroom has been around for about 6 or 7 years. It was first started in the math classroom so that the lessons were recorded and taught and posted on YouTube so that students could watch those in the evenings, and when they came to class then they worked on the problems one-on-one with their professors or their teachers. The great thing about flipping is that students are more prepared for class because they found that students perform better if they watch a video than if they read a chapter, for example, for class. And then they're more productive in class because they're receiving one-to-one time with faculty. There are 2 ways to flip your class. One is to use screen capture software, and this is like what we're doing today with Adobe Captivate, or you can actually videotape yourself teaching. So that's just a little sample of how we would use Captivate. When we're finished with Captivate, then we will click on the icon, and it's going to render the video for us. It'll take it just a few minutes. Then it's going to show up, capturing both my voice and my screen. And it's going to play. And actually with this screen capture, it seemed like it captured more of the screen than when I actually did the trial, so that's fabulous. I'm going to hit escape again, and I can go to publish and publish that. If we choose publish, we can publish it to our computer, and then it'll send it to a file that we can publish, and then we would upload that to YouTube. And this will take a while for it to render and to finish the video, but very simple to do, just a few steps with setup. We're going to cancel this, and that's your 3 minutes to learn for today. Thanks for joining in.